Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll start with part 4. We'll continue with the 14.2 exercise. So we'll see question number 15. In the following parallelograms, L, M, N, O and E, F, G, H, find the values of X and Y. All measures should be in centimeter. So this is the figure given. So now this is a parallelogram. So that means now these are the diagonals of it. So this should be equal to this one. So x plus 5 is 20. So x will be 20. This will go here. That will be 20 minus 5. So x will be 15 centimeter. Same for this diagonal. Now this side will be equal to this one. So y plus 15 is 25. So y is going to be 25 minus 15. So y is going to be 10 centimeter because they are said write the measures in centimeter. Same here, now we can see this side is equal to this one. So 5x is 15. So x will be 15. This is multiplication, so this will get divided. So x is 3 centimeter. So now this we'll see about this side and this side. So this is equal to this one. So 3y plus 1 is 25. So 3y is 25 minus 1. So this is 24. So 3y is 24. So y is going to be 24 by 3, which is going to be 8. So y is 8 centimeter. Now your PQRS is a square. Triangle OPQ is an equilateral triangle and you have to find the angles X and Y. So now this is the figure given. So since they said triangle OPQ is means this triangle is an equilateral triangle. That means this all three sides is going to be equal as well as these angles will be equal. Means here we can say angle P, this angle means angle POQ is equal to angle OPQ is equal to angle, this angle will be OQB, which is 60 degree because it's an equilateral triangle. Now this here again it said that PQRS is a square. That means this side is equal to PQ. This all sides are equal. That means whatever this side, this is going to be the same as this and this one. So now here since PQ is a side of square and side of equilateral triangle, we can say that means because now this side is, this is a square. So this side is equal means this and this also should be equal. So we can say OP is equal to OQ is equal to PQ is equal to UR is equal to RS is equal to PS. So now this we can consider this as all, let us denote this as S. So we can say OP is equal to SP. This OP is equal to SP is equal to S. So we can say OPS. This one. This is an isosceles triangle. So angle OPS is equal to, so here OPS, this angle is equal to angle QPS plus angle OR this one. Here this will be is equal to QPS plus angle OPS. So now here you can see this QPS, this is going to be, this will be because it's a square, this is going to be 90 degree. And then OPS, this OP and S, this is going to be 60 degree. So that will be 150 degree. And in that isosceles triangle OPS, base angles are equal. These are the base angles. These are equal. So we can say angle OPOS is equal to PSO. So here base angles are equal means here because we got OPS we got as 150. So from 180, if we subtract 150, you have to divide it by 2. So that will be 30 by 2. So this is going to be 15 degrees. So we can say X is 15 degree and Y also is 15 degree. So this two angles will be, this will be 15 and this also is going to be 15. Here ABCD is a square and triangle AOB is equilateral triangle. This AOB, this is an equilateral triangle, and you have to find the values of x and y. And this one is a square. So now we can see triangle AOB is equilateral triangle. So we can say OAB. OAB means this part. OAB is 60 degree. And since ABCD is a square, we can say here the DAB, this part. This is going to be 90 degree. So angle X is going to be, now this X is going to be, this is going to be DAO. So that will be angle X, this will be 9 from 90. This whole part is 90. From there we are going to subtract. Now DAO. This is a equilateral triangle, so that is going to be 60 degrees. So from 90 minus 60, which is going to be, X is going to be 30 degree. Now again here, since ABCD is a square, AD is equal to AB. So this AD is equal to AB. So we can say here, also a triangle AOB is equilateral. So we can say AB is equal to OA. So this AB is equal to this one. Since it is an equilateral triangle. So we can say DO is an isosceles triangle with AD is equal to OA. And in an isosceles triangle again, opposite equal angles, equal sides are equal. So we can say angle DOA is equal to angle ADO. So here angle DOA plus angle ADO plus angle DAO, that is 180. And DOA, again here DOA. So now this will be what? That is going to be Y. So because that is DOA plus ADO, so that will be both are going to be Y. And here we got this one as, this is DAO. DAO, where this, we got this as X is 30 degrees. So that is 180. So this will be 2Y is equal to 180. This will go on the other side. That is going to be minus 30. So 2Y is equal to 150. So Y is equal to 150 divided by 2, which is going to be 75. So X is 30 and Y is 75. Now here CDEF is a square and you have to find out X. CDEF. So this is a square and you have to find this X. So now CDEF CDEF is a square. So all angles are 90 degree. So these all angles are 90 degree. So lines from this C and F, and from here this line, this one, they intersect here. They are intersecting here, which is a angle of 120 degrees. So we can say triangles CPF, triangles this CPF, this is a isosceles. So now we can say angle C plus angle F, this angle C plus angle F plus this angle P, that is going to be 180. So now these two angles are, because in isosceles we know these two angles, this will be the base of it. So these both should be same. So what we can write here, we can consider this A and A. So this will be A plus 120 is 180. So this is going to be 2A plus 120 is 180. So 2A is going to be 180. This will go on the other side, that will be minus 120. So 2A is 60 degrees. So A is going to be 30 degrees. So X, here is 60. So here this X is going to be 60 degrees. So now see here, this is 30. So here this is 90, means this is going to be 60. So now this is 60. So this X is going to be, now this is going to be 120. So this now, this is going to be, this is 120. So this is a linear pair. So this is going to be 60. So 60, 60, and so this also should be 60. So X is going to be 60 because this is a one triangle. So this should be 60. So X is going to be 60 volume. BCD is a rectangle. An angle OCD is 47 degree, and you have to find angles XY and Z. And if BD is 5a minus 3 and EC is a plus 5, then you have to find a and length of EC. Now here BCDE is a rectangle and OCD, this is 47. So now in the rectangle BCDE, diagonals here, these are the diagonals, they bisect each other and they are equal. Whenever they bisect means they should be equal. So the angle OCD, this one, this triangle, sorry, this one OCD, this is an isosceles triangle. So now what we can say, triangle with OC is equal to here, OC will be equal to this OD. So we can say angle X. So this angle X is equal to angle OCD. This angle and this angle should be, OCD means this angle. So that should be 47 degrees. So this X will be 47 degrees. Then since BCD is a rectangle, so we can say again, we can say that BC is equal to, this is equal to this ED, that is this should be parallel to this one ED. So we can say angle Y is equal to angle X. So here this angle Y is equal to angle X, which is going to be 47 because they are the alternate interior angles. So see here, this is here, so this is here, they are the alternate interior angles. And then in triangle OCD, angle Z is an exterior angle to triangle OCD. This is an exterior angle to this one, OCD. So we can say that angle Z is vertical angle to angle EOB. So angle COD is equal to 180 minus OCD plus angle ODC. So 180 minus, this is OCD is 47 and this ODC is also should be 47. So 180 minus this is going to be 94. So angle OCD is equal to 86 degree. And angle Z is, that will be 180 minus angle COD. This Z is going to be 180 minus angle this COD, this one, this angle. COD means this angle. So because this is the linear pair, so we can do this one 180 minus this COD, which is a linear pair. So 180 minus COD, we got this as 86. So angle Z is 84 degree. And then in rectangle, diagonals are equal in length. So we can say BD is equal to EC. So now we know that BD is given here as, that is 5a minus 3 is equal to EC means a plus 5. This is equal to this one. So what we can do, we have to find out a. They have asked for a. So here will be 5a minus a. So this is going to be 5 and this will go on the other side. That is going to be plus 3. So 4a is going to be 8. So a will be 8 by 4, which is going to be 2. And EC, now you know EC. So they want the length of, they have asked the length of EC. So we'll plug in the value over here. We got a. So EC is a plus 5. So in place of a, we'll put this 2. 2 plus 5, so EC is 7. So we can say write this one as angle X is 47, angle Y is 47, Z is 94, A is 2 and length of EC is 7. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Also there is one feature called height, which is beside, you can see the comment section. Beside that, here there are 2 dots, so you can slide over these 2 dots, so you can see the option here, height. So click on the height button. Thank you.